What's the meaning of aeration? Aeration. 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 Aeration refers to the process of introducing air into a material or environment. In the context of soil, aeration involves perforating the ground with small holes to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate deep into the earth. This process can improve soil drainage, reduce soil compaction, and promote root growth, leading to healthier plants. In water treatment, aeration is used to increase the oxygen levels in the water, which can stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria that help to break down pollutants. Overall, aeration is a critical process that can have significant benefits for a wide range of applications.